how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap the post that you want to hide from your feed. And now here, once you're inside that post, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon at the top right of the post. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you can do is just tap on archive button. And now here, just tap on it. And once you do it, this will remove the photo from your feed, but will keep it in your account privately. And here, to check your archived photo, what you can do is just go to your profile, and from there you can just tap on three dash icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you can just tap on archive option, and there you can just go to your post section, and there you'll see the post that you have archived. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.